Do you know the basic difference between an HVAC chiller and an industrial process chiller? Hi, I am Soumo Roy, MD of Tempcon. Today I am going to explain you the basic difference between an industrial process chiller and an HVAC chiller. We have often seen customer is choosing a HVAC chiller for his industrial process application. Today I am going to explain you the basic difference between an industrial process chiller and an HVAC chiller. An industrial process chiller can be designed as per client's requirement. It can be designed from a temperature range of plus 12 degree temperature to minus 40 degree or lesser as per client's requirement. Whereas an HVAC chiller is always designed at a plus 2 degree evaporating and for a delta T of 5 degree. Whereas the industrial process chiller can give you a delta T up to 30 degree temperature. An HVAC chiller is always designed for human comfort application, whereas an industrial process chiller can be designed as per client's requirement. It can be designed specially for a dairy industry, for a plastic processing industry or a food processing industry, which cannot be catered by a HVAC chiller. There is always a misconception for higher capacity chiller. It is always preferred to go for a HVAC chiller of higher capacity. This is fully a misconception, and industrial process chiller can be manufactured from a capacity range of 0.5 ton to up to 1000 ton or as per client's requirement. So the conclusion is that before choosing an industrial process chiller, it is always preferred to check these points. Choose an industrial process chiller for your industrial process, not a simple HVAC chiller. Thank you.